So I finally got the storage cart that I showed you guys in my last video. I'm so excited to put this together and get everything organized because my table right now is a huge mess. Let me show you. So this is what we're currently working with while we're doing our homeschool sessions. We recently just got the printer because I needed a printer to print some of his homeschool things. So that's why I'm so excited to get this together and finally have a clear table, because we've been literally like this for like 2 weeks already, and this was just taking forever to come in. Alright guys, finally done. How cute is it? So now I'm going to organize all of that, put it in here. Alright guys, I finally finished setting it up. Let me show you how it looks. I actually was able to fit everything that I wanted to put away. So obviously I just got the printer, his little caddy for crayons, markers. These 2 little boxes I'm just keeping here in case we have projects to do. So I was able to fit everything. I just have 1 empty drawer. Basically almost everything is in drawers. Paint for little activity things. And this is empty. This is empty. This one's empty. And then this one just has a few random things that we may use for, again, projects. Honestly, guys, I don't know if I'm liking the colorful theme. I love the cart itself. It's really, really nice. And I love the colors. And I love the tone of the colors. So with this being so colorful, it's honestly just throwing me so off. And I'm feeling like it's so much, like so much color going on. I'm not used to it. So what I'm gonna do is, my mom's actually wanting it, so she's gonna buy it from me. And I'm gonna order the all black one. If I honestly had a room only for their homeschooling things, then I would probably have it, just because I know it would be like dedicated for that. But since I'm homeschooling in my dining area, it's just, I don't know, it's just throwing me off, honestly. Alright guys, so I am currently trying to get ready because it is my nephew's birthday party today. I'm trying to leave the house organized so that way when we come back, it's not a mess. I just have to do my makeup because I am changed. The kids are changed. Yeah, I just feel like I am rushing. Yeah, mama. Uh-oh, help baby sister. What is it, mama?
Come on, look. Oh, no.
Oh man, my love, you just gotta be careful that you don't break him, alright?
Oh, he's only cracking. Because he was...
I had done my hair earlier, so I really don't have much to fix. I'm gonna try and get out of this house as soon as possible.
You can't watch it. Say, I can't watch it. Okay.
I can't watch it. All right, so we already finished breakfast. We tried to do a little bit of homeschooling for Liam. He was getting a little bit frustrated, so I decided to just take a break from it. So I wanted to show you guys the new storage cart that I got. I told you guys in the previous clips that the colorful one wasn't really working out for me. So this is actually the all black one with silver. I actually switched it up against that wall instead of that wall because I figured it would just be more spacious on this side, and that way somebody could sit over here. And it kind of just ties everything together with obviously the grays in the house, the blacks, and the dark colors in the house. Anyway, so today is Wednesday, and recently we've been trying to go to church on Wednesdays because they have service on Wednesday nights. It is currently 3:30. Baby girl is still taking a nap. Since I decided to take a break from the homeschooling session, I want to jump in the shower and kind of start getting ready. Sí, mamá. Selfies? What do you know about selfies? So I'm currently making dinner for the kids and I'm drinking coffee. Sorry about the loud noise in the back. So it is sweet potato, broccoli, Parmesan cheese, a little bit of butter, and garlic powder. And you literally just mold them into really whatever you want to and just stick them in the air fryer. This is how they're looking so far. My camera just got foggy. But yeah, guys. And I just chopped up some cucumber. For their side, I'm gonna chop up an orange as well. It's okay. You guys, they are actually so good. I'm just hoping as they cool down, they kind of harden, because they're still really hot right now. So good.
good? Water.
Alright, here.
Draw, drive it, and draw. Was this gonna be hot?
Yeah. Hey. Oopsie.
Mom?
Okay.
Night for 12 to.
This is how the pizza came out. And it's actually so good. The only thing I probably would have done differently is adding a little bit of salt to the dough. But other than that, it's so good.